The headlines: 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Hospitals and Research Institute celebrates 100 successful kidney transplantations. World Oral Health Day observed widely on theme, "A happy mouth is a happy body." And 4 children living in 𝐋𝐢𝐯 relief camp drowned to death in Tuita River. Hello, welcome to Notice Window. This is Valentina giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Chairman cum Managing Director of 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Hospitals and Research Institute, Dr. 𝐂𝐻𝐸𝐯 stated that the premier private hospital for the first time in history had performed 3 kidney transplantations for patients of Northeast. He said this while speaking at the program Legacy of Life, 100 kidneys transplant, celebrating the Institute's success in conducting kidney transplantation of 100 kidney dialysis patients held at the auditorium of the Institute today. Chairman cum Managing Director Dr. 𝐂𝐻𝐸𝐯, Consultant Nephrologist Dr. 𝐁𝐫𝐸, Consultant Urologist Dr. P. Somorendro feted the nurses, OT technicians and other staff of the transplant team on the occasion. Giving the welcome address of the program, Consultant Nephrologist of 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Hospitals and Research Institute, Dr. 𝐁𝐫𝐸, shared the challenges and feats of the Institute in performing kidney transplantation. Speaking further, Dr. 𝐂𝐻𝐸𝐯 informed that the Institute has so far performed 109 kidney transplantations successfully. The Institute conducted 3 kidney transplants with consent from the family members for the first time in Northeast. Sharing the do's and don'ts kidney donors and recipients must be careful about, Dr. 𝐂𝐸𝐯 said that Institute is advancing in kidney and other organ transplantations. He also expressed happiness at successful kidney transplantation being conducted at government hospitals too.
Manipur da kidney transplant kidamaka imung manungna ayaba piraga ahum tawre. Masi Northern India su ahan bani yam sawa dahani. Adi imung dugi magi mindset hanagi layrakpa magi thabak profession aduga loina na awareness si Manipur da tamna lakpa sina marum waraga hojik ahum tawgi ba haise achawa koi healthcare history da di yam sawa milestone adu makhata na su dum koi sathegini loina na kidney transplant taw matam sida Dr. 𝐁𝐵𝐸 ban bigre blood group si sana tragadi ayamba tawdi adubu blood group si sana tagus koi blood banki mateng loraga to mahila lakak piraga relative tagi blood group sana dawse masi tawre Manipur da sizada adusu Northern India gi hanani sina maram waraga ai organ transplant kidney transplant tawwa yaroi daba na si masing hengalai aduga ata samone du bangiba swapping hana swapping hai si ai sum awareness being da haija bani media gi medium da ai nare ai transplant say donate tawina ba ai relative am lai ai ga dimaga sanadre atopa patient amaga lai mana pidoi ba donor si magondu pibi adre adurga di ai donor sina amaduga recipient patient duga sanare magi donor du ai ga sanare adu di ani exchange to wi shopping or koi organ donation ki shopping na siga to ya sigi awareness gi lai bitaraga di akoina kidney transplant gi masing si yam handle kani aji India da cumulative way na learn do ba kidney transplant tarka le si yang he and disease organ donation shopping adoga blood group mana da to me am sina asigi hengat na bagi transplant hengat na bagi am saw ba maram di
Dental College, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, in collaboration with India Dental Association, Manipur State Branch observed the World Oral Health Day at the RIMS Auditorium. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar stressed the importance of oral health in the overall health of a person. He further stated that negligence of oral health may lead to heart diseases, diabetes, and enzyme-related diseases, stating that Various awareness programs for oral health shall be taken up. He also mentioned that effort is on to upgrade RIMS Dental College from BDS to MDS course. As one of the premier institutions in oral health services, he urged the general public to avail the services of the RIMS Dental College. A cycle rally was flagged off by Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar from the RIMS Dental College to mark the opening of the World Oral Health Day, which will be observed for a month. The rally was also attended by Principal RIMS Dental College, Dr. B. Praveen Reddy, and President of the Manipur State Branch, Indian Dental Association, Dr. R.K. Ratan Kumar. Starting from the RIMS Dental College, the cycle rally passed through the RIMS Gate, Uripok RIMS Road, Bir Tikendrajit flyover and converged at the Kangla Western Gate and returned through Khuyathong, Nagamapal, RIMS Road and finally ended at RIMS Dental College.
We have a launch of the public awareness second rally. Sidagi Horga, Kangla, Dagiamu, Layoma Chalamatuna Mahalakadam. Awareness spinning is public World Oral Health Days, Marilena. Oral health importance either. Oral health for the better health. Yam neglected partly. Oral health is a negligence later. Makan Hayam Lena, heart disease over even diabetes over Alzheimer over Makan disease and Topogi awareness public awareness video.
𝐁𝐫𝐸's National Oral Health Program under National Health Mission, Manipur, in collaboration with Department of Public Dentistry and Dental College, 𝐁𝐫𝐸's, observed the World Oral Day at 𝐁𝐫𝐸's auditorium under the theme, "A Happy Mouth is a Happy Body Today." Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Director of the Health Services, Dr. O. Sanahanbi, stressed the importance of dental hygiene in the overall well-being of a person. The well-being of the mouth and tongue not only help us with taste but also provides for the nutrients needed by our body through what we eat, she stated. She further appealed to the public not to take any dental medicine without a prescription of a doctor. Director 𝐁𝐫𝐸's Dr. Laishram Singh and Principal Dental College 𝐁𝐫𝐸's Dr. Nidhas Divakar Hegre also attended the function as President and Guest of Honor respectively.
March 20 National Oral Health Program NHC National Program National Health Program National Oral Health Program in collaboration with Department of Public Dentistry, Dental College 𝐁𝐫𝐸's Anishina Pullaga observance of World Oral Health Day habasi theme a happy mouth is happy body. Mouth happy whole body si harawe habni haibadi sinya si phatragadi akoi haksang si thate karigi akoi haksang phaba haibase chari ba chinja nutrition asina akoi gi machiyo si loksin gadori.
In a tragic incident, 4 children died on Tuesday after drowning in the Tuita River in Churachandpur district. The 4 children identified as Leng Chong Hoi, son of Lun Kholal, Lalenchung Lufo, 6, son of Boise, Thango Hao, son of Ngaine Chong, and Thongko Hao, 6, son of Ngam Ngin Thang, reportedly went missing from a relief camp opened on ECA Church campus at Canon Veng yesterday. The bodies were recovered near Ebenezer Bridge this morning. Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Education Dr. R.K. Ranjan gave India's statement in the ministerial conference on the theme AI, Digital Technology and Democracy during the 3rd Summit of Democracy, hosted by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Republic of Korea, ROK, in Seoul on Monday. India has also participated in the previous editions of the Summit for Democracy hosted by the United States, launched in 2021. In his remarks, the minister referred to India's immense potential of digital technology and AI to strengthen democracy and to transform governance, making it more efficient, inclusive, faster and transparent, and enhancing service delivery. He called for prioritizing digital inclusion and access and ethical development of AI and its responsible use to maximize the benefits for the citizens. He also underlined those democratic values combined with technology will be a force multiplier for greater good. Minister Dr. Ranjan also met Foreign Minister, Republic of Korea, 𝐂𝐸𝐸. They reportedly discussed the wide-ranging India-Republic of Korea relations, including economy, technology, culture and people-to-people ties. They welcomed the 10th Joint Commission meeting co-chaired by EAM, Dr. S. Jaishankar and Foreign Minister Cho earlier this month in Seoul. They resolved to work together to implement the understandings reached by both sides. During his two-day visit to Seoul, the Union Minister of State has held a productive interaction with a cross-section of Indian diaspora in Korea. He mentioned the potential areas for cooperation with Korea and exchanged views on Indian foreign policy perspectives and India-Korea relations to expand supply chains and trusted digital products, which offers new opportunities. Acting on the basis of specific information, the officers of Anti-Smuggling Unit, Customs Division, Imphal seized 3 kilograms in 3 packets of brownish powder suspected to be of brown sugar from the possession of 2 individuals from Imphal East District around 4:30 p.m. on Monday. An official statement said, the arrested individuals have been identified as Abdul Rahim of Imphal East District and Mohammad Faijuddin of Lilongchingkham, Thawal District. The value of the contraband drugs is estimated to be worth 15 crore rupees in the international market. The drug smugglers were arrested under relevant section of the NDPS Act 1985, the statement said. Let's have a short commercial break.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Introducing a new challenge at 𝐶𝐸𝐸. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get a pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle, sense of wellness and helping behaviors, develop etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited sets, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact 𝐶𝐸𝐸, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Pauna Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Assam Rifles intercepted a total of 199 Indian trucks that were involved in illegal transportation of areca nuts and timber worth approximately 159 crore rupees and 4.88 crore rupees respectively on Monday. In an official statement released yesterday, the Assam Rifles said the interception of trucks was made in multiple search operations in response to credible intelligence indicating the unlawful transportation of areca nuts and timber in the region of Kangpat Center and Kangpat Kuno of Kamjong District. The operations led to confiscation of substantial quantity of dumped areca nuts and timber. The intercepted goods are suspected to be intended for unauthorized distribution in the black market, it said. Upon thorough inspection, the search operations resulted in significant seizures encompassing 15,230 bags of areca nuts weighing a total of approximately 1,321.62 tons, which is valued at approximately 159 crore rupees, and 50,603 cubic feet of timber worth 4.88 crore rupees respectively, it added. These confiscated goods were handed over to the Forest Beat Officer of Kamjong District. The successful operations curtailed wide-scale illegal activities, underscoring the commitment and commendable results of Assam Rifles in upholding legal and ethical standards in the region, the Assam Rifles said. Assam Rifles organized a medical camp at 𝐿𝐶𝐤𝐬 village in Technopal district situated along the Indo-Myanmar border on Monday. It said, recognizing the limited medical infrastructure available to locals in the region, the medical camp aimed at providing essential healthcare services to 𝐿𝐶𝐤𝐬 and surrounding villages. Medical teams from Assam Rifles conducted examinations and distributed free medicines to the attendees. The event garnered enthusiastic participation from the local community, with a total of 78 individuals, including pregnant women, children, and elderly patients, benefiting from the medical services provided, it added. Situation in the state was under control during the last 24 hours between March 18 and 19, as per a report from the Manipur Police Control Room. The report said search operations and area domination were conducted by the security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts. It said security forces destroyed a village volunteer training camp in the general area of Lokchau Technopal district on Sunday. During the operation, 140 mm unserviceable grenade launcher, 2 local-made improvised grenade launcher, 4 Pompies, 6 local bombs, 20 wooden dummy guns, and 4 IEDs were recovered. A case has been registered for further investigation in this regard, the report continued. On the other hand, movement of 345 and 277 vehicles along NH37 and NH02 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations, and security convoy was provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 131 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and police detained 272 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. The Supreme Court yesterday responded to a plea filed by the Kuki Students Organization concerning the relocation of 38 displaced scheduled tribe engineering students from the National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur. The plea seeks the transfer of these students to alternative branches of NIT across different states. The bench, presided over by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud alongside Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra, took cognizance of the urgency surrounding the matter. Acknowledging the severity of the situation, Chief Justice Chandrachud remarked, "They will issue notice and keep it at an earlier date," signaling a proactive approach by judiciary in addressing the students' plight. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 Hospitals and Research Institute celebrates 100 successful kidney transplantations. World Oral Health Day observed widely on theme, "A happy mouth is a happy body." And 4 children living in Churachandpur relief camp drowned to death in Tuita River. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.